Hello there. So we are back with Google Calendar plugin. So now we'll see how to create an event in our calendar. So there is this button called create event or a meeting. If you click on it, it will give a pop-up where we have to give some details to for the event. We'll give the title or the subject as testing an event. Then we'll give the start date time. This is the start date time, and give time. We'll give date as today's date and the time as 4. Then we'll give the end date time as the same date with 5 as the end date, 8 end time. Then there is this checkbox called Google Meet required. So if we click on this checkbox, it will create an event with a Google Meet link. But I'll show that later. So now we'll create an event without a Google Meet. So this is the description, and guests we can add email IDs. For multiple attendees, we can separate those attendees by comma and we can give more of them. I'll give one right now for now. So if I click on schedule, so that meeting is scheduled. Now it will refresh. So this is the current date. After reloading, it will show an event. So this is the event that is scheduled. Now we'll create an event with Google Meet. So I'll give testing another event. Then start date time as 15 June and end date time as same 15 June. Start time will be 2 and end date time will be 3. Then we'll click on this checkbox and the description. Then the guest, same guest. So if we click on schedule again, the meeting is scheduled and it will refresh. So now after reloading, it will show that event in this 15 June. So this is the event that is scheduled. Now we can clearly see a difference in both of them. So if we click on this, this is the event without Google Meet. So it's the same, it's normal. If we click on this event, which has a Google Meet, so it will show join with Google Meet. So this means that whenever we create an event with Google Meet, it will give a Google Meet URL. So this is the event with Google Meet. So now we'll check how we are creating the event. So in workflow, there's this event called create an event, which asks for access token, then the summary, which is title, then the description, then the start date time, the end date time zone, which you can get from Google Calendar element, which has a property called current time zone. You have to set it manually in the element, and then the attendees. And this is the API called create an event with Google Meet. It asks for the same values as the event create an event API, just that it is a Google Meet one. So both are different APIs but have the same parameters. Thank you.